Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock for risotto. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh vegetables for the best flavor. A good stock forms the foundation of a truly delicious risotto, elevating the dish from good to outstanding. We'll keep it simple and efficient, ensuring you have a rich, aromatic base ready for your next culinary adventure. For a fantastic risotto stock, you'll need about 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion, roughly chopped. Don't forget a few sprigs of fresh parsley and a bay leaf for aromatic complexity. A teaspoon of whole black peppercorns will also add a subtle warmth. These simple ingredients are the building blocks for a rich and savory liquid. Place all your prepared vegetables, herbs, and peppercorns into a large pot. Pour in about 8 cups of cold water, ensuring everything is submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook uncovered for at least 45 minutes, or up to 1 hour, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once your stock has simmered and developed its rich flavor, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean container. Press down on the solids to extract every last drop of liquid, then discard the spent vegetables. Allow the stock to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze it for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.